12 places to visit Mysore.
Number 1, Mysore Palace.
It's like your energy was kissing my soul back to life, was living now.
Number 2, Zoo Sri Chamarajendra Zoological Garden.
Yeah, you're gone without a trace. You left me where no one can find me. There's no sign of life out here. I scream and it goes silent. I fight so hard
Number 3, Brindavan Garden.
way out. Lost all dimension and time. Looking at what's in my mind.
Number 4, Tippu Sulthan Summer Palace. Number 5, Lalith Mahal. Number 6, Karanji Lake. Number 7, Ranghanathittu Bird Sanctuary. Number 8, St. Philomens Cathedral. Number 9, Balamuri Waterfalls. Number 10, Mysore Underwater Tunnel Aquarium. Number 11, Gumbaz. Number 12, Snow World. Great Bombay Circus Mysore. Bus Cafe.